Welcome to China Chefeifan Trading Limited Company. This is our factory manufacture park. Our factory covers an area around 15,000 square meters. We have 5 high-standard manufacture processing buildings. Right now, please follow my camera, get into our manufacture building. At present, we are in the injection molding workshop. Behind us are thousands tons injection molding machines. After the quality inspection confirm that the product is qualified, and will take to our finished product workshop. Here is our finished product workshop. We will visually inspect the products, sub-pack and pre-pack the produced products to ensure the consistencies of the products. Here is our lighting production workshop. We major produce Germany car exterior parts like BMW, Benz, Porsches, and another supercar parts. The product inspection department has a professional team to test the product. Here is BMW 5 Series G30 laser headlamp quality inspection test. Right now, the camera will show about grille, spoiler, and mirror cover workshop. Our original material, most of them use ABS, PP, and carbon fiber. The pursuit of quality is the core concept of our company. Present, we are in our warehouse space. Standardized warehouse space provides guarantee for our accurate distribution. Chefeifan Trading Limited Company has a complete production chain and competitive shipping company. Welcome the global customers order our product.